Use the Bumpy dating app. Now, over here, you're gonna have to start off with Bumpy by signing up. But of course, you're gonna be able to use Bumpy if you download it, so you can do that directly in your App Store or Play Store. But anyways, Bumpy is available globally, so iOS and Android users can download it from their respective app stores. But anyways, once you download it, all you have to do now is sign up using Google or pretty much other options, which is just the continue with email. So once you have chosen an option, you're gonna have to set up your profile over here. So you can put in your name for safety tips as well. You can put that and search for whatever that is. You put in your date, and of course, it has to be legitimate since you may be meeting actual real people. But anyways, once you put in your birth date, over here you're gonna accept if this is the correct age, and then your gender, what kind of people you are looking for over here. Then what is your goal over here? You can choose whichever that is currently available. Most of the time it's pretty much just chat, most of friends, but if you want more, you can just go ahead and choose. There's also interest over here. You can go ahead and choose whichever you want. But anyways, you can save up to 15, and also you can also choose and select a photo for social purposes. Over here, it doesn't really comply with the rules, so you're gonna have to check the rules over here. So what's not available are over here. You'll be able to see what's forbidden to add to profile. But once you see and follow those rules, you should be immediately able to add your profile. Then you can just use your core features once you set up your profile. There are swipes, boosts, pre-written icebreakers and compliments. You can have read receipts, automatic translations, and it also has privacy and safety. So Bumpy enforces rules to keep the community safe. So no explicit content, no personal contact info in public. So it's only for adults as well. It's also respectful and authentic behavior that is required. But anyways, that's how you use Bumpy dating app. So make sure you sign up and set up your profile and just pretty much use its own features. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.